Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the chemical preparation as well as chemical properties of phosphine, and now in this topic we are going to talk about the physical properties of phosphine. So now let's get started. So friends, here I'm going to talk about the physical properties of phosphine. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the chemical preparations as well as the chemical reactions that are being exhibited by phosphine. So talking about the physical nature first, that is a physical property. So basically phosphine is present in a gaseous form. So that's the reason that pH 3 like that of NH3, in fact NH3 can also be exhibited in a gaseous form. So even in fact pH 3, which is an hydride of phosphor, is also in a gaseous form. And talking about the next one, that is talking about the odor. If we compare it with that is NH3, so NH3 has a pungent smell, but in this case this phosphine has an odor of rotten fish. And that's the reason that it makes phosphine to be very much toxic. So that's the reason that phosphine is very much toxic in nature also. And talking about the solubility, it is sparingly soluble in water. Unlike that of NH3, NH3 is very much soluble in water. The reason behind that is it can form a hydrogen bonding with the water molecules. But this phosphine is not very much soluble in water because phosphine, since it is in a gaseous form, it never forms a hydrogen bonding, and that's the reason it is not that much soluble in water. So therefore, these were the certain physical properties of phosphine. That is what I want to talk about, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.